Almost every parent faces this once, that stubborn diaper rash that just won't go away. And the hardest part, you're doing everything right, and yet it keeps coming back. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skin and hair care expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create hair care and skincare that truly works. In our earlier video, we spoke about how to treat baby eczema naturally. Today, let's talk about another question every parent Googles at least once in their journey. How to care for your baby's diaper rash safely, gently, yet effectively. I've worked with sensitive skin for years, and as a mother of twins, I've lived through the sleepless nights and the guilt of wondering if I was doing something wrong. What I've learned is this: babies don't really need complicated routines. They need comfort and consistency. And their skin barrier is delicate. It needs protection. So before we talk about treatment, let's understand what causes diaper rash. Well, diaper rash or napkin dermatitis happens when moisture, friction, or trapped urine and stool irritates the skin. It's common. Nearly half of all babies experience it in their first year. So if your baby has one right now, please don't panic. It is manageable, and your baby's skin can heal quickly with gentle care. Baby skin is not just smaller adult skin. It is about 30% thinner than adult skin, and it loses moisture almost twice as fast. So even mild cleansers with alcohol or fragrance can fatigue their barrier. And once that barrier weakens, even water can sting. So diaper rashes aren't really about poor hygiene, they're about a tired and weakened barrier. Therefore, our goal isn't just to fix the rash, it is to keep the skin calm and protected. And here are a few small mistakes that can make rashes worse and how to fix them. 1. Fragranced wipes or alcohol cleansers. They strip natural oils. So use plain water and cotton pads instead. 2. Talcum powder. It clogs pores and can irritate the lungs as well. So use arrowroot or cornstarch based powders instead. 3. Heavy petroleum creams. They trap heat. You can use light zinc oxide or plant-based oils that let skin breathe. 4. Infrequent diaper changes cause friction and humidity buildup. Change every 2 to 3 hours, even if the diaper seems dry. And give your baby some diaper-free time in the day. These are small shifts, but they make a big difference in comfort and healing. If the rash turns bright red or shows tiny dots, it may be a candida infection, which is a fungal overgrowth from trapped moisture. In that case, please see your pediatrician for a mild antifungal cream. Now, here's a simple science-backed routine that works. Step 1. Cleanse gently. Use lukewarm water and a soft cloth. No soaps, no wipes. Step 2. Pat dry. Don't rub. Give a few minutes of diaper-free time daily. And step 3. Soothe with natural oils. Like coconut and sunflower, they mimic the skin's lipids and allow oxygen flow. Avoid mustard oil on damaged skin. They may irritate the delicate skin. And if you want something pre-balanced and baby safe, please try our rash and eczema oil for kids, a blend of therapeutic oils designed for sensitive baby skin. It's free from mineral oils, fragrance, and steroids. Think of it as your baby's daily layer of comfort and protection. Remember, healing a rash is not about doing more. It's about doing less, mindfully. Your baby's skin already knows how to heal. It just needs your patience and your trust. Share this video with a worried mom who needs a gentle solution for their baby. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.